In this question, you have to choose the option that includes all the correct statement. Statement A, metagenesis is observed in helminths. It is incorrect. Metagenesis refers to the alternation between sexual and asexual generations which are observed in jellyfishes and not helminths. Statement B, echinoderms are triploblastic and coelomate animals. It is correct. Echinoderms such as starfish are triploblastic, that is having three germ layers, ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, as well as coelomate, that is body cavity completely lined by mesoderm. Statement C, roundworms have organ system level of organization. It is also correct. Roundworms, which belongs to the phylum Nematoda, exhibits the organ system level of organization. Statement D, comb plates are present in ctenophores that help in digestion. It is incorrect. Comb plates are present in ctenophores, but they are used for locomotion and not digestion. Statement E, water vascular system is characteristic of echinoderms. Now this is correct. It is a unique feature of echinoderms and it is used for locomotion, feeding and gas exchange. Thus, the correct statements are B, C and E. Hence, the correct answer is option A.